Hi, my name is Aniel Dominguez, and today we're here at Cramer Marine. We're going to be talking about these motors, these Yamaha motors, paired up with our new line of skeeters. And we'll talk about maintenance and how to keep you up to speed with maintenance and keep that motor reliable like it is. So today we're talking about maintenance on the motor. We're going to pull the hood off here and show you how to check the oil and the service points on the engine. Pop off all the three latches and pull the hood off, and you get to all your service points. That one. Okay, the first thing that you'll see here on the right side of the motor is the dipstick. When you want to check your oil, you want to check the motor's oil when the engine is cold. You get the highest level on the dipstick, and between the cross hatches here, about 3/4 of the way. This one's all the way up, about 3/4 of the way. It's the sweet spot. All right, the other feature Yamaha has is the onboard flushing port. This is where you would screw in your garden hose when you come back from your fishing trip and rinse the motor off with fresh water. When you get ready to change your oil, you're going to change your oil once a year or 100 hours, unless your motor's brand new and you got your break-in time. Once you get to your first oil change at 20 hours, you change your oil. And you do that by removing this side pan. Behind this side pan, there's a drain plug with the drain washer, and you want to replace that washer every time you change your oil. You're going to drain the oil out, change your filter, and then over on top over here where you're going to add your oil at. Over here on top. Well, folks, here's our new skeeters, and this is the new shore motors. Come on down and see us, and if you already have a boat with a Yamaha that need to be servicing or any other brand motor, we'd love to help you. We'd love to take care of you.